Will no contact work on a stubborn partner? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I'm your relationship expert and today's video is very important. Will no contact work with a stubborn partner, a stubborn person? This is something that scared you. You think that your ex is very stubborn. Your ex will never change his decision or her decision. Your ex is not happy to talk to you again. And you are wondering, will I have a chance one day? The answer is yes. But before to share with you my advice, my tips, my experience, I want to make sure that you will smash the like button and of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, you can receive all of our videos directly in your inbox. Now it's time to talk about no contact. What is no contact? Basically, after a breakup, our main focus will be about rebalancing the power. We don't want our ex to know what we want, that we are needy, that we want to be in a relationship with them again. Why? Because they will not come back and they will not see any value in your behavior. So, the no contact is the process of not talking to your ex. Not talking to your ex so we can get back with some control. And if you look at your situation today, the no contact is mandatory. It's something that you need to do, but you're scared because your ex is stubborn. There is few things that I want to address here. First of all, your ex is stubborn because he or she has the control. Of course, if we are needy, your ex will never come back on his or her decision. They will never change their mind. Never. But once we start to do the no contact, your ex can feel that he or she is missing you. And your ex can also realize that you have changed. So no contact is very powerful. Another thing that I want to tell you is simple. Your ex, if he is or she is stubborn, will never accept the fact that you will be happy with someone else. This is very ego, but it's true. As human, we value what we have and we don't want to lose what was on. And this is simple. When we have babies, this is the simple example that we always share. If you have some babies or children, when you give them a toy, they will play with this toy. When you give them another toy, they will play with this new toy. But what happens when you want to try to play with the first one? They will never allow you to do it. Never. It is their toy. As human, we value what we had. So we don't want to lose what we had, even if we don't play with it. I'm not saying that your ex is playing with you. I'm just saying that when you do the no contact, your ex can be fearing to lose you. Not just because he or she wants to be in a relationship with you, but because you can be happy with someone else. And this will hurt their ego, their personality. And this is why there is a lot of people getting back together. Because we know exactly what are the triggers that you need to apply if you want your ex to see that you have changed. So, even if your ex is stubborn, as human, we can't go against her happiness. If I tell you do this because you will be happy and you say no, it's not possible. It's not possible. This is how we work. So your ex will come back to you after the no contact because he or she will just realize that they can be happy with you. They can just create something different, something stronger. And this is why you have to be confident. This is something very important. So guys, if you are in a period of no contact and you're scared because your ex is stubborn, it is because you're scared that you will not be able to get him or get her back. We need to stop being scared. We need to tell ourselves, I will use this time to create an amazing life. And if my ex doesn't come back to me, I will be able to do some actions. This is okay. We can do it. That's not a big deal. But you have to be strong. This is something very important. Now, I understand that doing the no contact when you have a stubborn partner is really not easy. This is why we attached in the description box below a long and private videos. This private video is very special. It's not on our website, not on our YouTube channel. It's only for the community. So please, come and join us to watch this long and private video where we explain to you exactly what you need to do right now, specifically when your partner is stubborn. So click in the description box right below. And remember, of course, that you need to smash the like button. You need to subscribe to this YouTube channel because we want to provide you results. This is why we are doing all of these videos, because we want to make sure that you will apply our tips, do the no contact, even if your ex is stubborn, because we will make your ex feel that he or she can lose you. And if you want to go further, just come on our website withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles and you can book a private coaching session with the team, Coach Abby, Coach Priyanka, Coach Natalie, Coach Adrian, or even myself. We are here for you. And in just one session, even 30 minutes, we can be able to give you the action plan, what you need to do right now. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye-bye, guys.